If you can do this and you can do this, then you can definitely do these cards. Come on, let's make some cards for our moms. So I'm gonna use regular cardstock paper for this. The first card we're gonna make is going to be some watercolor flowers. Very simple flowers. All you have to do is get the colors and just rub it into circles. So just dab the color on the card and then like rub it around. Okay, once you're done with the watercolor, you draw the middle of the flower. You just draw a rough edged circle and color it. And then we use another thinner pigment liner to draw some dots around that circle we drew earlier. Next, I'm going to take the thinnest pigment liner I have and then join these small dots to the circle so it looks like the flower anthers. Next, I'm going to take the thinnest pigment liner again and draw the petals of the flower. Just randomly draw some petals overlapping each other to give it a natural look and keep on drawing. Petals, I'm going to draw the leaves. I'm doing some sketchy leaves just with the pen. I'm not going to color them. Next is my favorite part, lettering. So I'm gonna write Happy Mother's Day. Happy I'm gonna write in calligraphy writing and Mother's Day in uppercase block capitals. Alright, we're done with our first card. Simple and easy, yet beautiful. So let's move on to the second. I'm going to write Mom in big, huge letters. For the O, I'm going to draw a nice round circle in the middle of the card. And then on the either side of the O, I'm going to draw big M's, all block capitals. once I'm done with my sketching, I'm going to fill the circle with tiny flowers. You don't have to do fancy flowers. All you have to do is just dab some paint here and there in different colors and draw some leaves to fill out the spaces. Make sure your drawing or the painting is completely dry before doing this. So once it's completely dried, draw the flowers or outline the flowers with a pigment liner. Next, I'm going to ink the two M's on either side. I'm drawing it with thick marker. Actually, it's a brush pen I'm using, but you can use a marker. And on the bottom of the card, I'm going to write "Thank you for everything." So it's basically, Mom, thank you for everything. So here we are, done with our second card. So we did 2 cards for Mother's Day. I hope you like them, and I'm sure they are pretty easy to make. All you have to do is dab some paint and then just outline them. So the lettering, if you want to learn calligraphy lettering, you can go to the link above and learn how to write calligraphy letters. Other than that, you can use any font for these cards to make your mom happy. So until I see you on another video, bye bye.